Good evening. Today is December 16, 2023 Saturday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sore 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 16, 2023 Saturday. Here are the SL Sore 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 16, 2023 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of December 16, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.